My first impression on using the Mueller Juicer Ultra Power was that it was very simple to use and assemble, which is my kind of product. The anti-slip silicone feet sticks onto my countertop very well. I like that there are only 5 parts to putting it together. You have the 68-ounce pulp container, the extraction base where the juice comes out of, the filter with the stainless steel blades, the top or the chute would go next, and you close the top with the safety locking arm. Last is the 34-ounce juice container. Here I have 2 full grapefruits pre-cut and ready to juice. Whoops, almost forgot to take off the juice spout cover, can't forget that. I started off with the first speed, which is the low speed for soft foods. As you can see, I'm not pressing the feeding tube all the way down. I don't need to because the grapefruit is already soft. Once you turn it off, you're gonna hear a noise just like this. Don't be alarmed because it only happened to me the first time. This is how much juice I got from 2 grapefruits. The consistency looks smooth and there's no pulp. I like that the juice container holds the foam back. This was delicious. Next, I wanted to try juicing harder foods like carrots, celery, and apples just to see how well it worked. I only used the first speed and it still juiced it pretty easily, so it wasn't even necessary for me to change it to the second setting. And again, it looks smooth, it holds the foam back, and it also tasted delicious. Now let's take a look at the mess. Doesn't look too bad. However, even though it was a little challenging trying to scrub off the food from the mesh filter, the cleanup overall was still very easy. Just rinse everything and let it air dry. So I'm very satisfied with this juicer.